How do you make money in Forex? It's pretty simple. Now, if the market is going up, that is, for example, the market is buying, you are seeing green candles going up, and then you decide to buy the market. You enter the market for a buy. You decide to buy the market from a particular price point to another price point, and then the price goes in that direction. You have made money. It's that simple. That is basically how you make money in Forex. Price is going maybe in one direction and you buy in that direction, you make money. If the price is selling, for example, you see red candles, and then you decide to sell, you make money because the price is going in that direction. That's how you make money. How do you lose money in Forex? You lose money when you are buying or selling against the trend of the market. For example, you say you are buying the market, you buy the market, but instead of the market to go up, the market starts going down. You now start seeing red candles. That means you are losing money. Do you understand? That is, you are losing money. That is how you make money and lose money in Forex. It's not complicated. It is as simple as that. When market is buying, you buy. When market is selling, you sell. That's how you make money from Forex. Or that's how you lose money from Forex. When the market is buying and then you are selling. When the market is selling and then you are buying. That is the basics. That is it. So make sure your job as a trader is to make sure that you are going with the market. If the market is buying, you are buying. If the market is selling, you are selling. And you make money. Simple, right? But it's not that simple.